What happens when anger controls a great warrior? Can pride destroy even the strongest hero? Today we explore one of the greatest epics ever written, the Iliad by Homer. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will explore the key ideas of the Iliad, a powerful epic poem that reveals deep truths about human emotions, war, and life. This is not just a story of battles, it is a story about anger, honor, and human nature. Homer was an ancient Greek poet who is believed to have lived around 8th century. He is known as one of the greatest storytellers in history and is traditionally credited with writing the Iliad and the Odyssey. His works have influenced literature and storytelling for thousands of years. The Iliad is set during the famous Trojan War, but it doesn't describe the entire war. Instead, it focuses on a short period and especially on the story of the great warrior Achilles. The central theme of the book is the anger of Achilles and how it affects everyone around him. The first key idea is the destructive power of anger. The story begins with the anger of Achilles when he feels disrespected and he withdraws from battle. This decision leads to suffering, not only for himself but for his entire army. The lesson is clear. Uncontrolled anger can cause great damage. The second key idea is honor and glory. In the word of the Iliad, honor and reputation are everything. Warriors fight not just to win, but to be remembered. Glory is seen as more valuable than life itself. This shows how deeply humans desire recognition and respect. The third key idea is fate and destiny. The characters believe that their lives are guided by fate. Even the greatest heroes can't escape their destiny. This idea reminds us that life is not fully in our control. And the fourth key idea is the reality of war. The Iliad doesn't glorify war completely. It shows pain, loss, and suffering which happens in the war. War is not just heroic, it is tragic and destructive also. This gives us a deeper understanding of its consequences. And the fifth key idea of this book is humanity and compassion. Despite the violence, there are many moments of kindness. Enemies show respect to each other and share grief. This reminds us that humanity exists even in conflict. And the sixth idea is about pride and ego. Many conflicts in the story happen because of pride. Leaders and warriors make decisions based on ego rather than wisdom. This leads to unnecessary suffering and loss. And the seventh key idea is the fragility of life. The Iliad constantly reminds us that life is too short. Even the strongest warriors are mortal. Strength and power can't defeat death. So this is very important. So the Iliad is one of the greatest literary works in history. It teaches us about human emotions, the consequences of anger, and the importance of compassion. Even today, its lessons remain relevant in our daily lives. It helps us understand ourselves better. So, what is the final lesson? The final lesson is anger and pride can destroy even the greatest individuals. But on the other hand, compassion and wisdom can bring meaning to life. The Iliad is not just a story of war. It is a mirror of human nature. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, do you think anger can ever be justified? See you in the next video.